In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your YouTube channel and make it private. So once you're on YouTube and you're logged in, go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner, then click into YouTube Studio. Then that will show you your channel dashboard, and from here go to settings in the bottom left hand corner, and then once you're in settings, you can then go to channel. Then go to advanced settings. Then if you scroll all the way down, in the advanced settings tab, you'll then see remove YouTube content. Go ahead and click on that, and that will open up a new window, and here it will say remove YouTube content, and you've got two options. So the first one is I want to hide my content, and the second one is I want to permanently delete. We're going to click on I want to hide my content. It will then explain that your following videos will be all made private, and the following will not be hidden. So your channel page will not be hidden, your channel name will not be hidden, your channel art and icon will not be hidden, and your likes and subscriptions will not be hidden. So the only thing really that's going to be hidden is going to be your 650 free public videos. If you wanted to delete the content instead, you could click on the second option, and that will permanently delete and remove your whole channel. But those are your options. Choose which one you need, select it, and then click hide my content, and then your YouTube channel will be hidden.